Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling and Cooking with me, AB. Today I'm bringing you one of my holiday classics. Listen to this. This is a Pecan Praline Honey Glazed ham. Man, that sounds good. And trust me, it tastes just as good as it sounds. So I'm gonna get right into it. Let's go ahead and address the rating system. Those of you who've been watching some of my videos, the rating system goes like this. From 1 to 10, 10 being the most difficult to prepare and cook, I'm gonna give this a 3. Listen, very, very easy. Listen, when you buy your ham, it already comes pre-cooked. So all you gotta do is put your diagonal cuts in it, whip up your seasoning, if you're gonna put anything on there like that. But for me, I just get my glaze together, stick it in the oven. When it comes out of the oven, I uncover, I glaze, I go back into the oven, uncovered, for 15 minutes, take it back out, reglaze, 15 minutes, take it back out, reglaze, and then back into the oven. That right there is why it has a 3. Other than that, this is a very, 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 very easy recipe to prepare. And listen, this will make you a hit with everybody at the table. So with that being said, and no further ado, let's get it in, folks. Happy holidays.